Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, an happy Easter. Today is Sunday, so happy Easter to everyone there out there. So if it's your first time here, my name is Peace. I'm a mom of two beautiful girls. Yeah, so I want to do get ready with me today. It starts Sunday, so I want to take you guys along. I already did my makeup and I have my wig, and so I just want to get the kids ready. So pick out the outfit for the kids to wear. Ivana is wearing this one. She's wearing this. Why Eliana is wearing this skirt and this. Sorry. So I'm just gonna get them ready.
So I just realized here that my mic was not working. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to take down and put so I can watch the hair, then make a new one for her.
Morning whispers in pastel skies, hopes arise where sunlight lies. The lilies bloom in soft display, a promise born this holy day. Feel the glow, feel the rise in the echoes of the skies. Chains are gone, hearts are free. Easter brings eternity. Steps on grass where dewdrops cling, songs of joy the robins sing. Angels spoke and hearts believed, new beginnings grace achieved. Feel the glow, feel the rise in the echoes of the skies. Chains are gone, hearts are free. Easter brings eternity. Dust to dawn, a sacred strife. From death blooms eternal life. A stone rolled back, a light revealed, a love that can't be concealed. Feel the glow, feel the rise in the echoes of the skies. Chains are gone, hearts are free. Easter brings eternity. Morning whispers in pastel skies, hopes arise where sunlight lies. The lilies bloom in soft display, a promise born this holy day. Feel the glow, feel the rise in the echoes of the skies. Chains are gone, hearts are free. Easter brings eternity.
guys, I'm going to end the video here. So do well to subscribe, leave a comment down below, like this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.